Would you mind if I...
Oh, no, of course.
Do you come here often?
Is that the best you have?
Yes, I'm afraid it is, yes.
Oh.
Don't worry, I shan't be asking you to dance. I find this very comforting.
The view?
Yes.
It's wonderful to know that some things just stay.
Although I could do without that bloody tower.
Oh, really? I love it.
Hmm?
I love it that for a while, at least, we had ambitions beyond concrete.
Do you ever wonder what would have happened if that chap in Pudding Lane had noticed that fire starting all those centuries ago and then just put it out?
I suppose the whole of London would be wooden.
Imagine the splinters.
By the way, I do.
What?
Come here often.
Do you?
Every Wednesday, as a matter of fact, to this very bench.
Well, I never.
So be careful who you ask next time.
Yes, I will. Well, that is extraordinary.
It's just a habit.
How long have you been coming here?
Oh, nearly 50 years.
That's a lot of Wednesdays.
Not as many as it might be. I'm a strict observer of holidays.
So, tell me, why did you break the habit?
Break it?
Yes, it's Thursday.
Thursday?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, of course.
No, it's definitely Wednesday.
Oh, no, it can't be.
Oh?
Because I always come here on Thursdays.
Are you being a wag?
No, I come to this bench to look at that view on Thursdays. So, it must be Thursday. Or one of us has got it wrong.
I've often wondered about Cheryl and Brian.
Who?
Do you think they were happy?
Well, who knows? At least they were together.
Ah, is that happiness? Well, I suppose we'll never know about them.
Well, I think they met during the war. And he went off to fight in France, and she stayed behind in London, slaving away in the munitions factories, both of them wondering when or if they would see one another again. An intense and terrifying start, which propelled them through the hardships and the difficulties and on. You know, like a fully taut bow and arrow. The greater the tension before it launches, the further it goes. Well, I think love's like that. And I've always felt Cheryl and Brian achieved great distance because of it.
Other people's stories are always fascinating. Have you achieved great distance?
We have now. She's dead, and I'm in Cricklewood.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. Has a wonderful dentist.
Cricklewood?
Oh, heaven.
But such very long waiting lists.
Yes. What about you?
Tommy died 5 years ago. 43 years of marriage.
Oh, well done.
He was a sweet man. A very sweet man. But this bench was my little secret. I never came here with him in all those years. There was a time in the early 80s when he thought I was having an affair because I wouldn't tell him where this place was. Oh, I used to tell him I was visiting my son. Anything just to get here. It was always important to me to have my little place, my little bench, my little view.
You have a son?
Yeah, so he's in his 40s now. Eddie.
Oh. Well, that's my name. So, why here? Why this bench?
There was a boy. We were 17. We only met twice. We met here. I was engaged to Tommy. He was engaged to, I don't remember her name. And things... They were different times.
Teresa.
What?
The woman he was engaged to. She was called Teresa.
And he was called Eddie.
And she was called Iris.